Today on the 22nd of July 2024 we have Pääskylänrinne. Slavbokningen 3 seconds. Fortunately the second speed is not working. We have to get it another time. It is a spot in 1933. The capacity is 4 person 360 grams, strange capacity. Chamber stage 17.5. Normal is 320, but here's 360. That's, I haven't seen that before.
Yeah.
Too bad the bench is gone.
Yeah.
And we have the stick here as well. The best XP is unfortunately out of use temporarily.
Yeah.
It's temporarily out of order.
Yeah.
Yeah, also in 79 and 79 Helsinki is for sure. And down again.
Diskuteert ett pakki väsktä, mä teen passilla.
This one feels a bit faster than the staircase.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. But I can say it's too slow.
Yeah.
Staircase could have been the same speed.
Yeah.
But me is probably as slow as the first 6 floors.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Thanks so much.
Yeah, but there's a typecast machine is sorted.
I
no,
will not have enough memory for that.
Yeah, but now someone called it.
Yeah.
And very unknown.
Yes. That's watching. That's it. Pictures.
That's